Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate or create code image in Canva. So first to do that, you have to head over to this option which is create a design. Once you do that, then you click on this option called logo. Once you click on it, another tab is going to open on your tab. Then from there, then you click on this option apps. Good. Then use the search bar up here and search for code image. Good. Image. Is it here? Code image. You can use it. First option, code image. Then from here, in this tab, in this box up here, you can paste your code from any source. You can copy your code from VS Code or Python. Then just copy the code from any of those source. Then you paste it in here. Once you do that, then you come here and choose the themes for your code. You want it to be in white background, or you want it to be you want the themes to be dark or light in color. So I'm going to just pick dark. Then from here, you also say you want to pick the language you want the image to come out. You want it to be in JavaScript, you want it to be in CSS or C++. So let's pick this. Let's use Python. Good. Python. Then you can decide if you want your code to be generated in Windows or in Mac. So I'm going to use Windows. Then if you want the control size to be medium or large or small, so let's say medium. Medium is okay. Then you add a design to. You can see it. Then come here. Then you increase the size of the code image. You can see it. That is it. This is how you can generate a code image in Canva. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more.